The 2025 Hyundai Kona. That is a really wide infotainment slash control screen. Paddle shift. Your electronics ports. Select your drive mode. Take a look at the back seat. Sunroof. Horrible gear shifter. I like Mercedes where on the column it has the very thin, classy rod compared to this bulky thing. Decent steering wheel. What are your first impressions of this? Put it in the comments. I think that's very bland on the door to not have any kind of two-tone or accent color. It gives it a very cheap trim look, unfortunately. They should have taken this color up here and put that somewhere on the door. I don't recall ever really seeing that before. But that's a minor thing. In general, this car is a tremendous value. $34,000.